Hey guys, Dan's Restorations back again with another video. Today's video I'm going to be doing an updated toolbox tour because some things have changed. Most of it's the same, but first I'll start with the Bauer 6-inch bench grinder with LED light. I have a wire brush on it. This is a stiff one. Also has the buffing wheel down there. What I plan on getting is another one of these stands with the designated buffing bench buffer, I guess. Just because I tried putting that attachment on instead of the grinder and the whole thing just started shaking like crazy, so I figured I'll just get one specifically just for buffing. Next to that, we have the Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder. I absolutely love this thing. Have not used in a while, but and again, I haven't had a need for it, but whenever I do need it, I know it's reliable. One thing that I plan on getting is some of that anti-spatter spray. See if that might help with some of the spatter that I get from the Flux. Over here we got my trophies and pins. Got drill bits, micro torch, still need to get butane for that. Hand drill, 4-pound dead blow hammer. Back here it's a 3-pound. Have my grandpa's body hammer, have a Matco body hammer, dead on hammer. This little hammer that I made, and behind it I have a chipping hammer that I got, I think it was Christmas or my birthday, one of those. My parents got it from an antique store. Got some wood planes, all my batteries and chargers. Not sure why that's over there. So I have the Hercules 20 volt and 12 volt charger, DeWalt, 2 Milwaukee's, and I have the Bauer charger along with all the batteries you see. The helping hands and a wooden mount that I made. Also a phone holder. Up here I just have various pieces to the air compressor that I've been fixing. Also my great grandpa's hammer, passed down to my grandpa, then my dad, and now I have it. Got some Teflon tape, brush, light, just various clamps, Charmander, can't forget about him. He's our new mascot. I got, I think, 3 different levels up here. Also have a tape measure, old flashlight, little bird that my grandpa carved and painted. Let's go with this drawer. This is more of my measuring, or not really measuring, but just machinist type tools. Got some punches. Got the old clamp for the other welder that I used to have. Have some of these, so you can measure the inside diameter of a pipe. Got some files, wood chisel. This right here, this is macro mics. It's basically like a small magnifier. This used to belong to my grandpa. Now I have it. This drawer is my electrical drawer. I also got a glue gun, stud finder, battery terminal cleaner, assortment of heat shrink, terminal sets, got some electrical tape, craft heat gun because I don't have a regular heat gun yet, crimpers, and just some electrical testers right there. Down below, got some of my new stuff. I have the McGraw 3-gallon, what was it, 0.6 CMF or SCMF air compressor. Got my 18 gauge brad nailer and stapler from Central Pneumatic. I also have my Banks 23 gauge pin nailer. Then just the case down there. I have my, I'm trying to think of the name of it. Oh, it's the radiator pressure test kit. Forget the exact brand. Above that I have my tap and die set. In the red box I have my oxygen sensor sockets. The blue box is the, what is it, torque sticks. And right above that, in that gray box, that's my, was it slide hammer, I think it was? Yeah, slide hammer. Got some various pieces of wood back there. My Red Sox garbage can. Have a 1/2-inch torque wrench. Have knee pad. Square right here. And then I have my Milwaukee M12 flashlight. Have a magnetic tray, bottle opener, inspection mirror. This is for taking lids off of paint cans. All my sockets. Not going to go through all of those again. I've done it numerous times. Believe those two are gear wrench. Got my Vim sockets, 1/2-inch impact sockets, screwdrivers, breaker bars. We have all, actually yeah, I'm pretty sure that is all my ratchets. Oh, except I have one in the car for a toolkit in the car, which you've seen a video about. Got the Husky 1/4-inch Icon Flux 3/8 Craftsman index. I believe it's called the indexing ratchet. It's 3/8 and the long 3/8 composite. This is my locking flex head Husky ratchet. I love this thing. It's very easy to take apart and just lubricate it, so whenever I use it a lot, that's what I do. This one I got from one of my coworkers. It's a 3/8, brand is Task Force. Not sure, I've heard of Task Force, I just don't remember where they are from. 1/2-inch Cobalt, 1/2-inch Craftsman, extra long flex neck Pittsburgh. Did a restoration on this one. This is the Firestone 3/8. And then up here I have the, I think this is also Firestone socket. Yeah, Firestone 1/2-inch. Yep, 1/2-inch. Yeah, I'll probably just keep it right on there. There we go. Saw some grease in that. Oil filter socket, various adapters. This drawer I am not happy about at all. I don't even want to go over everything that's in there. You guys can pretty much see it. I need to come up with a better way to organize it. I have some tools in here that I've restored, like this pipe wrench. I think it's 18-inch pipe wrench. It's a nice thing, made in USA. I don't remember where it's the company that made it. Maybe it'll say when I open it up. Just made in USA. Nope. No markings of who made it. I'll fix that after. One of my newest pliers is this one right here. Got it from the same coworker that gave me that ratchet. Southwire. Does have a chip in there, but you can always put a little weld on there and then just grind that down. Oh, we have my Warrior, I think it's a 100-piece security bit set. Have my gear wrench. Wow, I'm drawing a blank. Bit driver set. Little Husky torque set. My Warrior screwdriver set. Another bit set. Easy out, speed out, all that stuff. My Milwaukee bit driver. Matching bit driver too. I hate it when I do that. There we go. All of my beautiful ratchets. I mean, wow. All my beautiful wrenches. So, got all those. Got standard on this side, metric on that side. Then we got this drawer. It's my power tool / air tool drawer. Plan on getting another box at some point just so I can organize things a lot better. That way I don't have just open tools under my workbench. But I have the Bauer impact driver, Bauer 3/8 impact wrench. I have the Milwaukee M12 3/8 drill, impact driver. I always forget the name of this. Oscillating tool, I think is what the actual name is. Multi-tool. Oscillating tool. Same difference. Let's see. Have this Bauer 4-volt screwdriver. Milwaukee M12 hacksaw. Have my central pneumatic 1/4-inch stubby air wrench. Get the brand of this, but this is the blower. Also have some tools and a different attachment for the blower right down there. Have my DeWalt 20-volt brushless 1/2-inch drill. I got the Hercules, what's that, the 3/8 impact wrench, the 1/4-inch screw gun, and the 1/4-inch impact wrench. Got my Chicago Electric sliding compound miter saw. Let's see what I got down here. I got a skill saw in the back, got a couple regular saws, got my DeWalt Palm DA, have the Bauer cordless angle grinder, and I have the Bauer cordless sawzall. Got a battery jumper. Oh yeah, I forgot. Over here, I have the corded Bauer angle grinder, welding helmet, and a bunch of other welding stuff. Have my bench drill press right up there, along with this little vise right here. Compare that to that big vise. That's the brand right there. I think it's Maxit. I always forget. 5-inch. In case you couldn't tell, giant 5. Then I have this good old toolbox right here with a couple tools I plan on restoring at some point. These that taking that rubbery plastic grip off. Then I have my, what is it? Yankee from the North Brothers screwdriver. What I plan on doing is anytime I want to restore a tool, probably just throw it in there till I'm ready to do that tool. Then I have, what's the brand? Campbell Hausfeld 21 maybe gallon air compressor. I just need a new power cord for it, and it will be all set to use. Already got all the fittings and all that stuff hooked up. There is just a little cut in the power cord, so once I get that fixed, I'll be using that. Instead, right now, I have the 3 gallon, which isn't too bad. In my previous video, I showed that along with those 2 nail guns. And then I also saw that just being at 80 PSI, it'll power this for about 17 seconds, although after about maybe 5 or so seconds, this thing was just struggling. And then at 60 PSI, powered this blowgun at full blast for about 2 to 3 seconds, which I didn't expect much, but that's pretty much it, you guys. Trying to think of shop vac, spare tire. Yeah. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also, subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.